Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, thanks for clicking on my video. I have another hair video today, and this unit is from the brand Subella Hair. They were kind enough to send this to me today to review for you guys, and I cannot wait to show you how easy it was to get this unit installed on my head. Before we get into the video, if you're new, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button and join the family. We are growing, and I absolutely love interacting with y'all in the comments. I do hair, nails, makeup, reviews, tutorials, shopping. We all know I love to shop, but I also sprinkle some fitness in, so everything related to beauty is on this channel. If you want to see how I got this wig installed and how easy it was to make it look this natural, stay tuned and keep on watching. The brand we're working with today is Subella Hair. They reached out to me asking me if I would be interested in reviewing one of their wigs. This wig is new to my channel. This brand is new to my channel, so I don't know what to expect, but I'm excited because this should be a very realistic looking wig. So we had the drawstring bag that the wig came in, and then you also got this goodie bag. It came with a set of nails. They also sent some makeup brushes, which these would be cute for travel. Also got some wig caps, and these are the really thin ones. You get your Subella elastic band to help melt your wig down. And then you also got this pair of lashes, which these are absolutely huge. So as far as the cap construction goes, you have a comb here in the back. You have two combs on the sides underneath the elastic band. And then you also have a comb in the middle. You can see the curly edges on this wig. The lace is pre-cut, the knots are pre-bleached, and it is 8 inches across, and then the parting space is 5 inches deep. So I love a good closure because you don't have to worry about the sides. And then this curly texture is so beautiful. 220% density, so you know she is going to be thick and full and gorgeous. So y'all know I like to give you a preview of what the unit looks like on my head before I put my makeup on and everything. So if you are not a makeup girly or boy, then you know how the color looks blending in with my scalp and the wig, just the lace by itself. So this is what we are working with out the gate. Does this have this actually has ear, I'm gonna have to show you this off my head, but there are actually cutouts to go around your ear. So this is what it looks like, and you can see here the curly edges, and I don't think these are too long, so that is really, really good. But this is what the lace looks like against my skin. It's a pretty good match. But I'm gonna style this off my head just because I feel like it's easier to do, like I do in my other videos, and then I'll come back with my makeup done and show you what the final look is. But I'm really excited about this one. This is another one you're supposed to be able to wear glueless, so hopefully we will be able to do that. But based on how these edges are doing a little rolling here, we're probably gonna have to use a little bit of hairspray, but not much. Now I don't feel like this wig needs a lot of work, but I'm just taking some water to wet the curls, and then I'm going to get rid of this center part. And I just want them to be very defined and juicy. This hair type you can easily make more curly to show the texture, or you can tame the curls and have it looking more wavy. I personally like the more wavy look so that it doesn't look as frizzy. So I'm gonna take some mousse and just saturate the hair with it just to help tame and hold the curls some more. And then last, I'm gonna finish with this Cantu Comeback Curl Revitalizer. This is gonna help to add some shine. And it also helps to reduce frizz. So as you can see by doing it this way, my curls look very defined. They're not frizzy, and the hair still has movement to it, which is exactly what I wanted. So I'm just gonna let this dry for a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it on my head. I already have my wig grip on, so we can jump straight into this install. But if you skipped the intro and the unboxing, I will give you the details of this wig really quick. This is by the brand Subella, and this is their 4C Curly Edge Lace Wig HD Lace Frontal. It's a curly human hair wig with a supernatural hairline, and this wig that I have is in 20 inches and 220% density. You can get it in 150 and 180 as well. This is the 8x5 pre-cut lace, so you get 8 inches across the front, 5 inches across the back. Like I said, the lace is pre-cut, and then the knots are also pre-bleached, so should be able to wear this glueless, but if not completely glueless because of the little rolling up sometimes that the lace does, I'm going to go ahead and get my lace bond adhesive spray to put on just in case. We're going to go ahead and get this on my head. I always pull the band down first and then pull the wig down on top of it. So one thing I've noticed with these pre-cut is that sometimes the lace will roll up a little bit on the front, so you can either cut it or you can use some spray, but we're just going to go ahead and use a little bit of spray just to help melt it. But I consider this glueless because you're not doing the whole messy layering and all that stuff. And then you can see the hairline here with your curly edges, so that just helps it look more realistic. This is the texture of the hair. I didn't do a part, but I kind of want to. I thought I wasn't gonna, but maybe just a little tiny. I feel like with this hairline though, it'll probably look better without it, so we'll get into that. But I wanted it to be, I love curly hair like this. I wanted it to be just very easy and natural putting it on. So she is tight on my head, and I feel like the cap is a little small, but we all know from my other wig install videos that I do feel like the normal size caps run a little small on my big head. So this is what the hair is looking like. I love this texture. And again, this is 20 inches, so the way I styled it, I was trying to get as much length out of it as I could without making it frizzy. So I'm not running my fingers through this a lot. That's going to make it frizzy. You know, I don't know that I really need to spray this other than right here, and I could probably just brush these down with some gel, and then we won't need to. So let's try that. So I'm going to take a little bit of my bronzer and just put it on the front of the lace. So that way these little spots you can see when I tilt my head back, you won't be able to see those. I did not have to use my lace adhesive. And you can use these little hairs in the front as much or as little as you want, but they're also a good way to help hide the lace. I'm finished. This was so easy. Let me give y'all the 360, of course. That is it for this install. If you are looking for something that gives you a lot of versatility, because even with the texture of this, I can pull these hairs down and put my hair up if I wanted to. It doesn't have to be just wearing it curly. You could even tame these more if you like flatter hair, or you can fluff it out more if you just want to go big hair. So that is it for this install. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Tell me what you think. Subella Hair, thank you so much for sending me this wig. This is definitely going to be one of my easy throw on and goes for the summer. Super cute, and I always feel like a curly wig, I don't know, I just feel sassy as opposed to fighting with curling a body wave or something like that. But let me know below what your favorite type of wig is. Everything about this unit will be in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And like I said, comment, let me know. I love to hear from you. Thanks for sticking with me to the end of this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.